Namaste, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Prince Chakras, your sanctuary for holistic well-being and spiritual growth. Today, in the spirit of nourishing our bodies and embracing plant-powered vitality, we'll be exploring 5 vegan ways to detox after Thanksgiving. After indulging in the joys of gratitude and good food, it's time to realign our energies and nurture our bodies. So let's embark on this transformative journey together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for your regular dose of positive vibes. Now let the detox magic begin. First on our list is a powerful detox smoothie. Let's blend together a symphony of cleansing ingredients: kale, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and a splash of coconut water. This vibrant concoction will kickstart your digestion, flush out toxins, and leave you feeling revitalized. As you savor the vibrant hues of this detox smoothie, appreciate the chlorophyll-rich kale working its magic, supporting your body's natural detoxification pathways. This nutrient-packed elixir is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a loving embrace for your overall well-being. As we transition from the smoothie, let's embrace the calming power of herbal teas. Opt for detoxifying blends like dandelion root or ginger tea. These teas not only soothe the digestive system, but also promote a sense of inner peace and balance. As you cradle the warmth of your herbal tea, feel the gentle cleansing properties of dandelion root gently supporting your liver, while the spicy notes of ginger provide a comforting hug to your digestive system. This soothing ritual isn't just about sipping tea, it's a mindful journey towards inner tranquility. Fuel your body with a hearty quinoa bowl packed with nutrient-rich veggies. Think of kale and colorful bell peppers. Top it off with a zesty tahini dressing for a burst of flavor. This vegan meal is not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to replenish your body with essential nutrients. With every forkful of this hearty quinoa bowl, relish the wholesome goodness of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. The kaleidoscope of colors in your bowl isn't just visually stunning. It's a symphony of nutrients designed to replenish your body and invigorate your senses. Let's harness the power of fresh juices. Create a vibrant juice using beets, carrots, apples, and a hint of turmeric. This elixir is rich in antioxidants, aiding your body in the detoxification process while providing a natural energy boost. As you press the vibrant concoction through the juicer, envision the antioxidants from the beets and apples sweeping through your body, offering a refreshing cleanse from within. This juicing session isn't just about sipping. It's a celebration of nature's vibrant palate and its nourishing gifts. As we conclude our vegan detox journey, take a moment for yourself. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and engage in a mindful meditation. Connect with your breath, let go of any residual stress, and allow yourself to be present in the now. In this moment of mindful meditation, let the rhythm of your breath guide you to a place of inner calm. As you release tension with each exhale, embrace the stillness within. This isn't just a wrap-up, it's an invitation to carry this sense of peace with you into the world, radiating positivity and gratitude. There you have it, beautiful souls, 5 vegan ways to detox after Thanksgiving, embracing the power of plant-based nourishment for a harmonious mind, body, and spirit. If you found this journey enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more vegan wellness content. Until next time, stay connected, stay mindful, and radiate those vibes. Namaste.